Sciences.
Hello students. In this session, we will study how to execute microprocessor programs using Emulator 8086 software. Double-click on EMU 8086 icon present on the desktop. A welcome window of EMU 8086 will appear. Then click on New. A Choose Code template appears. Select COM template. Simple and tiny executable file format, pure machine code, then click on OK. A command window appears which contains org100h as an assembler directive at start and start writing your program from the next line. RET is used for termination. Let's look how to execute a simple program using emulator software. A program to add 2,16-bit numbers. Move AX, 01H. Immediate data 01 is moved to register AX. Move BX, 02H. Immediate data 02 is moved to register BX. Add AX, BX. The data present in register AX is added with register BX and the result is stored in AX register. After writing the program, click on Save and save name with some name add.asm containing ASM as executable file and save the file. After saving, click on Compile in the command window. A new window appears. Click on Save. Another window appears called Assembler Status, which shows errors in the program, if any. If there are no errors, then click on Run to execute the program. A new window will be displayed, which tells that the program has written the control to the operating system. Now click on OK. Two windows will appear. The emulator window shows step-by-step execution of the program. It also displays opcode, various registers, memory and flags. The original source code window shows the source program. Click on Reload. Now the program is reloaded on execution. Check the contents of registers present towards the left of execution window. To check the status of the flags, click on Flags, which is present towards the right corner of the execution window. To check the contents present in the memory location auxiliary tools and select memory. Then click on Run for compile execution of the program. Once the program gets a new window will be displayed which tells that the program has written the control to the operating system. Now click on OK. Now the result of the operation performed is stored in the registers. So check the contents of the registers. Now the added result is stored in registers AX, so AX is equal to 03. Reload the program and click on single step to check the execution of each step. Now click on single step icon. In the first step of execution register, AX contains 01. Click on single step, the contents of register BX is loaded with 02. Again click on single step, the contents of AX and BX are added and the result is stored in register AX and its contents is 03. So the program is now executed. Close the flags and emulator window. Now we shall see how to find errors in the program and rectify it. Let us now create an error by removing the part of program. Remove 01H from the instruction MOV AX, 01H. Click on compile. An error message is shown in the assembler status. Read the error message. It says that line 7 cannot be evaluated an undefined variable. Close the assembler status window and rectify the errors by typing 01H. Compile and execute the program. Now, we will learn how to access the data stored in the memory location and use that data in the program. Now, let us write a program to add two 16-bit numbers stored in memory location 4000H and 4002H. Move AX, index 4000H. Move BX, index 4002H. Add AX, BX. Save, compile and run the program. Click on compile. There are no errors, so now save it by the name add.com. Now run the program. Click on OK. Click on reload and then click on aux in that memory, and now the RAM window opens to update the content in the memory locations. Enter the address 4000 in the space given and click on update. Now it will enter to 4000 memory location. In 4000 memory location, store the contents 1111, and in 4002 memory location, the stored contents are 2222 because it is a 16-bit numbers, so that we use two memory locations. The 4000 and 4001 memory location contains 1111 as their values. The 4002 and 4003 memory location contains 2222 as their values. Now click on update and then click on single step execution and check the contents of REG-AX, which contains 1111. Click on BX. The contents of BX will be 2222. Again click on single step. Now the contents of AX contains the result 3333. Close the windows. If the new program is to be written, click on New in command window and choose the appropriate templates and click on OK. You can find the mainframe window to write the program. Now you close the window.
At MSR UAS, we spark your imagination unlike any other.